Welcome back. Today we're looking at this viral order of operations problem. 75 minus 15 divided by 3 times 5. Because of the sequence of operations, people frequently fall into two different traps. Let's see what goes wrong before solving it properly. The first common mistake happens when people calculate strictly from left to right, subtracting 75 minus 15 first to get 60. Then they divide 60 by 3 to get 20, and multiply by 5 to get 100. But subtracting before dividing and multiplying breaks the order of operations. Another trap occurs when people multiply 3 times 5 first to get 15, because they think multiplication always outranks division. Then 15 divided by 15 gives 1, leading to 75 minus 1 equals 74. This is also incorrect because division and multiplication share equal priority. According to PEMDAS, division and multiplication take precedence over subtraction. Since division and multiplication have the same level of priority, we work across them strictly from left to right. That means division comes first. Step 1. Divide 15 by 3. 15 divided by 3 equals 5. Substituting 5 back into the expression gives 75 minus 5 times 5. Step 2. Multiplication outranks subtraction, so we multiply 5 by 5 next. 5 times 5 equals 25. Now our expression simplifies to 75 minus 25. Step 3. Subtract 25 from 75. 75 minus 25 equals 50. So our true final answer for question 1 is 50. Now let's solve our second problem. 14 divided by 7 times open parentheses, 16 divided by 8, close parentheses. Let's see the mistake that leads people to 1 before finding the correct value. Many people simplify the parentheses to 2, and then immediately multiply 7 times 2 to get 14. Then 14 divided by 14 gives 1. But multiplying before dividing ignores the strict left to right rule for operations of equal priority. Step 1. Following PEMDAS, we evaluate the expression inside the parentheses first. 16 divided by 8 equals 2. Substituting 2 back in leaves us with 14 divided by 7 times 2. Now we are left with division and multiplication. Because they have equal priority, we work strictly from left to right, meaning division must be done first. Step 2. Divide 14 by 7. 14 divided by 7 equals 2. This simplifies our expression down to 2 times 2. Step 3. Multiply 2 by 2. 2 times 2 equals 4. So our true final answer for question 2 is 4.